guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Cherise, and today we are going to be making a vegan version of fondant potatoes. What is that? Girl, I know, because when you say fondant, I think cake. Maybe it's just because I'm a fat ass, I don't know. But they're also known more in America as melting potatoes. So that's what we're going to make. I'm sure like fondant is probably like French or something, because all cooking comes from France, right? So before we get started, I did want to mention I do have a Patreon link below you guys can check out. And I don't know, I'm just really excited because they're going to be amazing. I'm so excited. I don't know. Do I have something to say, Greg? I feel like I had something else to say. I guess I don't have anything else to say. Do I have anything else to say? I guess I have nothing else to say. Let's just jump in. The first thing we need to do is prep our skillet. So I'm using a cast iron because, well, like if you're vegan and you need like iron, you know, like you can get it from a cast iron and it's delicious and it can go in the oven as well as on the stove. So I'm going to add like 2 tablespoons of oil. And then I'm going to add, I don't know, like 3 tablespoons to 4 tablespoons of some vegan butter. And I have my stove on like a little above medium because we're going to melt this down and get it like super high heat. But like not too high because you don't want to like, burn stuff. But like the oil like helps it not burn. But then like the vegan butter gives the flavor. Like you want both. You want both, okay? You want both. Oh my God, look at us going now. So it's going to be really loud. So I'm going to try and talk really loud. So I also now have some potatoes, which I have peeled and cut into like 1-inch thick pieces and put some salt and pepper on one side. And we're just going to start putting these bad guys in here like so. And what we want to do is we want to like sear them on the bottom. And then we're going to like put more salt and pepper on top and sear them on the top. So you have to be patient because we want a nice, beautiful sear. It's almost like, you know, when you used to eat meat, okay, you don't want to turn it until it's ready to be turned. That's the same sort of concept we're doing here with the potatoes. All right, listen, we had to switch over to voiceover because this shit just got way too sizzling, way too loud. So we did salt and pepper on the other side, and now we're going to flip these bad boys over, being super careful. And then we're gonna go, oh no, I got a little hot spot there. My cast iron got a little crazy. Those got a little burnt tits. That's okay. She's gonna be fine. She's gonna be just fine. You do you. Here I have 1.5 cups of vegetable broth. So we turned off the heat. Obviously, she's still getting crazy. But we're going to add this very slowly at first, you guys. Very slowly, because look at how crazy she's getting already by just adding some of this liquid. So until that calms down and so we don't burn ourselves, you know, we don't have a whole big fire mess on our hands. Very slowly add it. But you're going to add pretty much the whole thing until almost all of your potatoes are like not covered. Like we don't want the tops covered. We just want like the sides covered. Does that make sense? Like you'll say, hold on, wait for that little girl. Look at her going. She's so beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, so now we're going to add some garlic. So I've got about 5 cloves of garlic that I thinly sliced. And we're just going to pop those all around. We don't want them sitting on top of the potatoes. Just all around in the broth. We're going to start like infusing it with the beautiful garlic. Which, can I tell you, that was a whole thing with the damn garlic. I tried to make this video a couple days ago, and that garlic that we got was all green, like, in the middle, and it, like, just didn't look pretty. I probably would have eaten it normally, but, like, for you guys, for a video, it had to be fancy. So it was a whole thing to acquire this garlic. Then we're going to add a couple fresh sprigs of rosemary. We're going to add a couple of fresh sprigs of thyme. We're going to put it, again, in the broth. We're infusing that beautiful. Last but certainly not least, we have some more of that vegan butter, and we're just going to take some dollops and put it right on top of these little crunchy, crispy potatoes. And then we have our oven set at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to just pop this bad boy right on in there for about 30 minutes, and that butter is going to melt some more. We're going to, you know, have that infused, herby, garlicky sauce that's going to evaporate up. We're going to start getting melty tits going on. You guys, oh, I'm so excited. It's so beautiful. I know, it's not healthy, but like, who cares? You guys, are you kidding me? Look at how like, they look so succulent. I don't even know which one to try. They all look amazing. Oh, my wig. Oh yeah, the fork tender Look, let me show you. Fork tender. Yep. Went right through. Oh. 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 Mmm. Let me try this one. Let's see if it's the same. Oh, God, fork tender. But it's got, oh, same. Same. Okay. Mm. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. It's got that. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Okay. Hold on. Oh, it's very herbaceous. It is very herbaceous, but like in a good way. It is like, I feel like I just got slapped in the face, right? Don't you think? Greg's like shaking his head. I feel like I got slapped in the face with like herbs and garlic and like flavor, like, and it's got the crunchy on the outside, but like the soft inside middle. Oh. Oh, what do you think, Greg?
Make this.
Make it. He done said, listen, I know some of you wait for Greg's reactions and he done said it.
I did too.
Okay, so I don't know what else to say except they're so good.
These are really good. I am shooketh.
This is worth it. This is worth it. Fondant potatoes, they call them. I don't know. Melting potatoes. They do because they like melt, but they got like the crisp. It's so herby. Oh, I like it still taste it dancing on my tongue. Fantastic. 10 out of 10. Highlight for sure. Full written recipe as per usual will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, do the whole, you know what I'm saying. And I'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, I will read up, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.